to turn the picture into a Christmas card. Hollywood fashions can afford to be elaborate. Hollywood film stars aren't rational. That skirt must take yards of lace. Perhaps you could get away with that by making it up yourself, and maybe you could fix the Victorian off-the-shoulder thingamy somehow. But certainly these fashions would create a bit of a sensation at most 1946 Christmas parties in Britain. If one had the money, one could get them copied, I dare say, if one had the coupons. One is described as a halter-neck dinner gown, ornate in front, but, well, you do save a lot of coupons there. Finally, a glittering creation said to be covered with silver beads and diamonds. Very smart, no doubt, but there is a snag. It provides an awful lot of temptation for smash and grab. Yes, from most points of view, it's all very tantalizing. Hammond must win the